Hey guys, it's me Cuba here, and today we're gonna see some cool Rubik's Cube patterns. So our first pattern is the checkerboard pattern. So the algorithm for checkerboard pattern is R2, L2, U2, D2, F2 and B2. So here is a checkerboard pattern. Our next pattern is cube in a cube pattern. So the algorithm for cube in a cube pattern is F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L prime, B, D prime, B prime, L2, U. So as you can see, it's a cool cube in a cube pattern. Our next pattern is cube in a cube in a cube pattern. So algorithm for cube in a cube pattern is F, D, F prime, D2, L prime, B prime, U, L, D, R, U, L prime, F prime, U, L, U2. So as you can see, here is a cube in a cube in a cube pattern. So our next pattern is zigzag pattern, and the algorithm for zigzag pattern is R, L, B, F, R, L, B, F, R, L, B, F. So as you can see, here is a zigzag pattern. Our next pattern is 4-hole pattern, and the algorithm for 4-hole pattern is F2, B2, U, D prime, L2, R2, U, D prime. As you can see, here is a 4-hole pattern. So our next pattern is 6-hole pattern, and the algorithm for 6-hole pattern is U, D prime, B, F prime, R, L prime, U, D prime. So here is a 6-hole pattern. Our next pattern is American flag pattern. So for doing this pattern, make sure that the red side is facing us and the white side is facing on the top, and the algorithm is L prime, R, D, B prime, T prime, B. So as you can see, here is a American flag pattern. So our next pattern is the 6 T's pattern, and the algorithm for 6 T's pattern is F2, R2, U2, F prime, B, D2, L2, F, B. So here is the 6T pattern. Our next pattern is the strips pattern, and the algorithm for strips pattern is F, U, F, R, L2, B, T prime, R, D2, L, D prime, B, R2, L, F, U, F. So here is a cool strips pattern. So our next pattern is the twisted peaks pattern, and the algorithm for twisted peaks is F, B prime, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L2, B prime, U, F prime, L, U, L prime, B. So as you can see, here is a twisted peaks pattern. So our next pattern is checkerboard and 6-hole flower pattern. So first we will do the checkerboard pattern, that is R2, L2, U2, D2, F2 and B2. So here is the checkerboard pattern, and then we will do the 6-hole pattern, that is U, D prime, B, F prime, R, L prime, U, T prime. So here is a cool checkerboard and 6-hole flower pattern. The next pattern is Christmas cross pattern, and the algorithm for Christmas cross pattern is U, F, B prime, L2, U2, L2, F prime, B, U2, L2, U. So as you can see, here is a Christmas cross pattern. Our next pattern is Python pattern, and the algorithm for Python pattern is F2, R prime, B prime, U, R prime, L, F prime, L, F prime, B, T prime, R, B, L2. So as you can see, here is a Python pattern. Our last and final pattern is the orthogonal bars pattern, and the algorithm for orthogonal bars pattern is F, R prime, U, L, F prime, L prime, F, U prime, R, U, L prime, U prime, L, F prime. So as you can see, here is the orthogonal bar pattern. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.